Hey friends, Tiffany here. I wanted to record this video and share with you how to get started on your digital marketing journey with logging into Kajabi and also using our school platform when you need some assistance to help you. So once you make that purchase, you choose which product is best for you to get started. And congratulations, by the way, on getting started. You're going to choose one of the four digital products to get started with. You can go to my website to see the four different options. Each option has a different level of training support to help you grow your business. At each level, when you join, you're going to pay a $29 website fee. Okay, that's a one-time fee to activate your website that you'll set up, very simple to do as we go through this process. And when you pay that $29 website fee, it's then going to transition you into joining Kajabi or logging into Kajabi. Kajabi is just a platform that is used for this program that has our videos, that has our step-by-step guide to help you launch your funnel, your website, and get your email marketing up and going. And so I'm going to share with you today, I'm going to screen share so that you can see what it looks like, because I think this sometimes is a spot where people will get stuck of like, how do I get started? What do I do, right? Sometimes we click the wrong buttons. So I'm going to share with you. So I'm going to share my screen here. So as a reminder, when you pay that $29 website fee, make sure that you log into Kajabi, okay? And it is going to log you into here. This is what Kajabi looks like, all right? And so as I scroll down here, you are going to see the different options. So some of you maybe got started with the launch pad, which is $100, our passive daily pay blueprint, which is $300, digital mastery at $600, or the legacy program at $900. Now, you want to only click into the highest level of product that you purchased. So if you purchased the legacy program, that's what you're going to click into. You do not need to click into the passive daily pay, the digital mastery, or the launchpad, because those items are located inside the legacy. Okay. If you purchased the digital mastery, that's the one you're going to click on. You don't need to click on the launchpad or the passive daily pay. Okay. They're just there as reference so you know what is in specifically just those programs, but you always want to click on the highest level of product that you purchased. Okay. I hope that makes sense. Let me know if you have questions there. So I have the Legacy Builder program. So this is the only program I'm going to click into. Okay. Obviously, the bonuses here, you can click into those and watch those. So I'm going to click into view the legacy program. And this is where you get started. Okay. This is where you get started. You are literally going to go step by here and just move down the line. Okay. Now, I just want to call out, there's a Zoom link here. Those that get the legacy program get extra training for being in this program. And so instead of having the Zoom link inside of school, which is our community platform for support, our legacy Zoom is right here for our legacy calls. Typically, those are on Tuesdays. Sometimes they're a different day of the week. Okay. But you're going to get started right here. Click here to get started. These are 3, 5, 8, 10-minute videos. They are not long. But this is the step-by-step, you guys. It is very simple. Walk right through these, okay? Don't go to the next one until you watch the one before it. This is going to give you an overview of Kajabi, this program that we're in, and just how to navigate it, okay? It gives you exactly what to do. Here, we're just kind of giving you some knowledge, some insight of launching your business, what the 2-hour workday will look like, how to launch to profit in 7 days, what to do to get your business off the ground. But first, we want to get our business set up, right? So again, you're just going to continue down these videos. And first, you're going to set up your professional domain. Okay, you can use GoDaddy. That's what I suggest. A domain can cost less than $10 for the year, and you're going to set up a professional email with it as well. These videos are going to walk you through that. Okay. You're just going to keep walking through these videos. That's all you're doing. Okay. Setting up your sales funnel, setting up your payment links, setting up your capture page, setting up your email automations. When you get to this part of importing the emails, I actually recrafted the emails. The link is inside of the Board app that I sent you, where I made the emails speak to all 4 types of personalities versus just 1 or 2, which is how their emails were. They were very high action emails. And I wanted it to speak to all personalities because people buy for different reasons. So you're welcome to use my email campaign if you'd like to. So when you get to this point, you're going to go grab my link out of the board and you're going to save that into your System.io account. Okay. So you guys walk right through that. And by the time you're done here, boom, you're done. It's up and ready to go. Now you can watch these other videos on helping you learn and grow, finding your perfect customer, right? But first you want to get your whole system set up. Okay. You want to get your capture page, your website, and your email campaign all set up. And you're going to do that inside of System.io. Okay. System.io, you can, if you don't have an account, you can get a free System.io account to do this. Okay. And this may seem a little bit overwhelming, but the videos are going to walk you through exactly how to set this up. This funnel is our sales page. Okay. So if I just show you, for example, when people click on my sales page link, this is your website, you guys. You get this website for $29. Okay, that's the $29 fee. That's what goes to the creator that really created this whole program. And that's how we get 100% profit by doing this, is they make the money by that $29 website fee, right? And then you make 100% by selling it. So this is already set up for you. All you have to do right here, and it's going to walk you through and show you how to do this. Add your picture, your name, your short story, boom, you're in. The other thing that they walk you through is how to set up your payment links, like right here. Clicking on this button, we want it to direct to your PayPal or your Stripe account. And those step-by-step videos are going to show you how to do that. But everything else, you guys, in here is already created for you inside of the website. There's just a couple, things you have to do right here. Edit these buttons so it goes to your payment link. Otherwise, this is all for you, made for you. So you can see, those that get started for $100, what they get in the launch pad, right? They're going to get this whole system that they can set up to resell this $100 products, but also some training on launching your business, automating your business, social media training, how to post free ads. Okay, if they opt in for the $300 package here, your website is going to show them what they get, how to make 100% profit from other people's products, which is really this, right? Somebody else created this, finding your ideal customer. So that's why I really recommend at minimum the $300 product, because finding your ideal customer, this right here, you guys, is gold. Okay. When you can speak to who your customer is, that is going to help you narrow in and find those people that want what you have. Building your brand, storytelling, attracting your perfect customer. And then the $600 level, here's the additional training that they get, right? Okay, you guys can see as you go to the higher packages, and now here's the legacy, they get more trainings on building a business, creating extra streams of income. It's amazing. Everybody gets these bonuses, okay? So this is all done for you. You don't have to create this website. We just help you click these payment buttons and make it your, go to your PayPal, your Stripe, because you are going to get 100% profit from that. Okay. And then I'll quick show you. Let me go back actually to here, when you get logged into Kajabi, okay, and you click into your program, on the right-hand side, you see here where it says Digital Growth Community. You want to click on that and you want to enter into that community. Make sure you use the same email, right, and everything, and answer all the questions to get into this community. This is our support community here, okay? It's kind of like Facebook, if you're familiar with that, you know, kind of a news feed. Look at, we just had a new six-figure earner, 6.5 months, you guys, super crazy, right? So this is just a news feed to ask questions. This is your support group, okay? You can see we have tech calls every single week. 9K in 7 days for Destiny. Absolutely amazing. You can see some people are having trouble getting their system up and going, so they're asking here, right? So you want to join this community because inside of the calendar, you are able to see all the different calls and trainings that we have, right? So we had a tech call today. We have a legacy builder call tomorrow. So this is the specific just for legacy builders and why you want to get into the legacy program, because we have bonus calls each week for them, okay? We've got a social media training coming up tomorrow, and these are all recorded, okay? So if you haven't started yet, once you get in, you'll have access to these recordings as well, because we have a classroom here where there are more programs, more trainings that you can access in here, okay? It's amazing, you guys, what you get for this. So even starting at the $100 digital product mark, you get access to all of those trainings for a one-time payment of $100 with that $29 website fee. I wouldn't recommend necessarily starting at that level. I recommend at least the $300 level if you can. We do have a 4-pay option to get started as well. Okay, anyway, I'm getting into now speaking to those of you that are not yet in the program. Really, this video was for you if you are already in, and how to get started with your digital products. The first step is setting up your capture page, your website, and your email campaign. And that is inside of Kajabi. You literally step by step walk through the videos. That is it, my friends. If you get stuck, if you need help, you go into the school community and you ask for help in there. We have 2 tech calls a week. You can also email GoDaddy if you're having a hard time with your domain. You can email System.io, which is the platform where we do our email campaigns, if you're having a hard time with that, okay? You guys, you can do this. This is simple. It is step by step. But the first thing is you got to get your website up and going. Then we worry about marketing and getting our lead magnet out there. And that's the focus. Really, the only focus, you guys, is getting our lead magnet out there so people click into it, they opt into your email sequence, and now your business is working for you behind the scenes, sharing what it is that we have. Yes. Okay. Amazing. All right, you guys, let me know if you have any questions. My name is Tiffany Anderson. I'm your Create Success Coach, and I am committed to you. I'm committed to helping you have success and achieve the financial results that you want. And that might just be $900 a month. That might be hitting 10K. That is totally up to you, but I'm here to support you. All right. See y'all.